Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about Berry Token. We're also going to tackle about the current Play to Airdrop event, which is about to end. We only have, I think, one day or 2 days left. You only have one puzzle piece left. The grind is real, guys. I think I'm gonna have my 1 month vacation after this event. I have my chart ready here. We'll talk about this first because I mentioned about this on my latest tweet that because some people are panicking. They think it's gonna dump real hard. They think it's gonna rug pull or something, which is crazy. But that's normal market, guys. That happens on every cryptocurrency. Even Bitcoin has its dumps, and that's normal for a market. We have buy and sell. Now we're gonna talk about what I said on my previous tweet. So Berry token was around 0.00071 at that time, and now yeah, we're starting to have some volume here, guys. Buying volume here. Green, you can see here green on the volume, and the market's going up this time to a support zone at around 0.00720. You can see it under the daily time frame. So here, support one touch, two touches. That's why I plotted this as a support, and now the market is having some reaction on it. Resistance at around 0.00125, meaning if the price reaches that level, there is a possibility that people are gonna sell as well. Yeah, I also mentioned about the 0.005838, which is the bottom of this zone. So if the price closes below this zone, then that indicates a bearish scenario. So that's what I'm looking at, but as of now, we are seeing some potential turn to the upside given that we have this continuous green candle on the 12 hours. So here, if we're gonna check the price history, after we had a two consecutive green candles, which you can see here, the price started pumping and it went around, yeah, it went around 56%. People are buying as well, so I think we have a chance to get up to 60%. Just watch out for this resistance because the price is really going to react to it, just like what happened in here. Again. Now we're going to talk about how I maintain my rank on the current leaderboard of the Play to Airdrop event. I'm just going to go back to the dashboard, but to quickly check on my rank, I have here Pixels.tips, and from here just search for your username, and then right here, guys, you can see that I only have three categories that I'm ranking right now. What I have here and what I have to really maintain is the hardwood super hacker badge, which is giving me 2,500 points. So if I belong to only top 10k, I only get plus 400. So if I did focus on a lot of industries and I only belong to top 10k in all of them, I think I can't rank the same as what I have right now. And there's a lot of ways for you guys to earn additional points like this one. Craft 3 Mocha stars from the previous event. I think that's given if you participated in the last event, you get plus 300. And the tweet, guys, this adds plus 1000. So yeah, if you did this, I think you have some advantage as well. For Salt Madness, this is actually quite easy because I only have, going back to the leaderboard, I only have like 20 salt mined. This was really easy, guys. If we're gonna check the leaderboard for the salt mined, you can see here that you can even rank if you only mined around 5 salt, if I am not mistaken. So if your mining is around level 5, I think you can still catch up. So probably you have to get around 6 or probably 10 for you to be safe. And yeah, I guess that's just all. Keep grinding, guys. I hope we all get to the rank 7k, and I wish you guys good luck. See you in the next one.